Hi, boys and girls. For the video, I am going to read the assignment to you. If you feel confident that you can read it through on your own, you can stop the video and continue your assignment. However, if you would like to hear me read the assignment, continue. First thing you need to do is type your first and last name. Let's start with the first one. It says pick the correct way to turn around the question. Here is the question. What are the 7 colors of the rainbow? Is it A, are the 7 colors of the rainbow blank? Is it B, the 7 colors of the rainbow are blank? Or is it C, what are the 7 colors of the rainbow? Choose your answer. Let's go to the next one. It says pick the correct way to turn around the question. Here is your question. What is the name of the highest mountain in the world? Here are your choices. In the world, high mountain blank. B, the name of the highest mountain in the world is blank. Or Himalayan mountain. Now for this question, it says type the correct way to turn the sentence around. So you actually have to retype or type your answer. So you have to type the turnaround question or your turnaround answer. What is the capital of Florida? So on the line, you have to type out the answer, rewriting the question. And you can put blank for the actual name of it, of Florida. Number 4, type the correct way to turn the sentence around. Who was the first president of the United States? So on the line, you're actually going to type the turnaround sentence. When you are finished, please make sure to hit submit.